Hey guys, so in this video we'll be learning about how to work with HTML. Okay, so it is a beginner thing which is a continuation of the previous video. Okay guys, so in this video I'll be teaching you the uh, images, tables, order list and unordered list. Okay guys, so these are the things which we learned in the previous video. If you did not see the previous video, please watch out there, so you'll understand that how this paragraph, div and this, it is all working. Okay, so if you want to know about all this, so just go to previous video and you'll find it. So in this I'll just remove this. Okay, okay, so all about, I'm just removing this. Okay guys, so I'll just show you that clear thing. Okay, just remove this paragraph itself, that's it. And yeah, we'll check out the output. This is the output thing. Okay, yeah, just remove these two things, we don't need. Okay, so if you want to know how this works, how understanding things, just watch out my previous video. Oops. Just watch out my previous videos, that you will understand the flow of this. Okay guys, in this video we'll be learning about the images. Okay, how to insert the image and table with the links. Okay, so image, link and image. So for that, let's start with that. So guys, open the tag and close the tag. So image doesn't have any end of tag, as like we have div, open and close the div. Okay, so image doesn't have like that. Okay, so it's just single thing where you have to give source is equal to, insert this will be your image. Okay, and alt is for mentioning your thing. Okay, I'll just mention for da. Okay, now let's check out for this whether this is running or what. So just give refresh. Yeah, so this is the thing, image has been come over here. Okay, so now you want to view the image in this. So guys, you have to mention your image in it. Okay, so for that, please download any image and put it into your folder. So if you want to know all about this, the flow, please watch out my video. Okay, so I have already an image. I'll just I'll just copy this one image. It's loading suddenly. Copy, close this file. So this is my folder and this is my file. Okay, index.html, which we have created. Into that folder only you have to paste it. Okay, so if you are mentioning in any other folder, you have to mention your thing. Okay, the path over there. So just minimize this, and this is your notepad, and in this now we'll give image name we'll give. Okay, for that image name, let's check out that it is funda and it is png image. Okay, so just mention that funda.png. okay guys, so it is a image name. That let's refresh, load. Okay, the image has loaded, but it is too large image. Okay, it is too large, so for that you have to set the width and height, where you will set width is equals to we'll give 200 pixels, and height, height, height equals to we'll give 100, just 100 pixels we'll declare it. Okay, so just 100 pixels, and let's refresh. Yeah guys, so you can see, right, the image size and width, how you can declare and do it. Okay, so I'll just make it a little bigger. Yeah, so you have got it now. so in this image thing. Okay guys, so like, and in this thing you want it to move this image to the another page, like you want to give this image as a link. Okay, so just mention above it, okay, with the a tag. Okay, so href, sorry guys, actually I'll tell you first what is href. Okay, so like you want to give your anything that href, any link, like from your to your website. Okay, so I'll just start with your a tag, href is equals to, and end with a. Okay, open with a and end with a. So in that between, just mention your website name or whatever. So I'll give just fundofwebit.blog, okay, .com. So this is my website name which I have given. Now you want this, just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, so it will take you that to this link. Okay, so now let's just take out, open. So here guys, okay, it is the link. If you click, it will take you to that page. Okay, I'll just give a break line, BR. Okay, refresh. One more line I should give. Yeah. So if I click over here, it should go to some page. Okay, so it will take to your site. If you give your own site name or whatever, like if I'm giving google.com, okay, www.google.com. okay, so it will take you to google.com page. Refresh, click. Okay, it will take you to google.com, but you have to give your https things and all for that. Okay guys, so you have understood the logic of it. This href used to link the one page to another or one website to another website. Okay, you can do with your things also, like create a new notepad thing and file and save it into your folder. Like I'll show you one example, and I'll save this file as a link.html into my folder. Okay, this is my folder. I'll save into my folder. Okay, this is a demo for link ahref. Okay guys, so I'll just show you one demo. I'll type link.html. so this link.html is nothing but my file name, which I have just now only I have created. Okay, so this is a demo file for a link ahref. Okay, so I'll just show you a demo and refresh your page. So I'll just click, so it has gone to this is a demo file for link. Okay, so just let's go back, and yeah, so this is how we do, and you can give like this only. So you have understood about the link. So the same thing I'll be doing with this image. Okay, so if you click on the image, it should go to the link page. Okay guys, so just click on that and take this a tag and after the image. Okay, just remove this blog.com. okay, because you are putting, instead of that you are putting this image file. Okay, so just mention it. Okay, and I'll comment this. Okay, so this is the commenting thing. Okay, no, it will be a confusion, just I'll keep a same thing. Okay, just refresh, it's refreshed. Okay guys, so see here, now it has linked. So if I click on this, it will go to the link page. So just if I don't put this link, okay, I am not putting any link now. Now let's reload the page. See, it's on the same page. If I put the link over here, If I apply the link again, refresh, see it goes to the previous page, next page. Okay, so this is how we work with this images and image link. Okay, so guys, you have understand this funda of this image and images link. So guys, please watch my next video, which is the continuation of this. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.